Good morning, ma'am. Good evening, ma'am. Good evening, classmate. My name is Philip Angelo P. Ronquillo. My birth month is July 23, 2004. My place birth is Citywide Maternity Clinic, Amber Street, RGA Village at Davao City. My mother's name is Natividad P. Ronquillo. She born of February 10, 1969, fully Filipino and Roman Catholic. Age 52. Age 52. She is housekeeper and also live at Bangkal, Davao City. My father's name is Noli Tan, suddenly passed year ago, and he works at Davao City Water District. I am studied at Crossing Bayabas National High School. I graduate elementary in Davao City Special School, and also I graduate junior high school in Crossing Bayabas National High School as ALS passer. I work at Maa Memorial, Orchard Memorial Park, Maa, Davao City. My province is Davao Oriental, and my language is Filipino, English, Bisaya, Tagalog. I say in myself, I am kind, trustworthy, and helpful. I want to help my mother, being I am working student now. I want to help because I want to help my mother, because I don't want to she work as for long because of syempre nagkakatanda na tayo. So di ko na gusto na magtrabaho po si mama. Ang masasabi ko po na gusto kong matupad ang aking mga pangarap po. At salamat po dahil kayo ay nakikinig, and thank you.